Hi guys, welcome to our, it's not a vlog though. This will be the first and the last video. So anyways, right now we're here at the Anapog. Yeah, Anapog, but we're here sa dagat. Yeah, it's a dagat. So you can see, if you're curious who are these people here, this is
Elizabeth Rosiliosa
and this is
Harold Binder.
and this is,
John Anthony Quezon.
in short,
Anthony.
sabi na kukuan. Never mind. And so,
That's all. Charot. Mga ligo na to.
tara, let's go. Hi sir, if you're seeing this video, I just want to thank you for being like, how could I describe you? Maybe the most handsome, amazing, wonderful, kind, polite,
Yes. Yes.
humble, proud,
Yes.
confident,
Yes.
talkative,
Yes.
and most what? Most what?
Most very handsome.
Generous, gorgeous, gorgeous,
Everything
beautiful.
and everything.
You are our everything, sir. So we would like to thank you. We're so grateful to have you in our life, sir.
Murang tampol ako kay bata po lang kaibigan ko pagka gibog kay ko to pagka high school kato si Jindy ba sila na tero ba yung taon ko. Nindot yung mata dark.
Uma sa slide. Dagmay tayo.
Yan na, hindi ko man natagaw.
Lain mo ko nang hunahuna ni Yasin kaligo ron.
Inak ba mo lang uy?
Nawa lagi. Nawa daw. Nawa. Uy, Marjorie. Bis ganahan unta ta maligo. Nawa na ning. Asa to dapita tra. Asa to. Mo na di ta kayon gud. Mo na ganahan mga rigari o kanang dagat. Tungod na yung mga inani. Ligo ra unta. Di mo ginana. Ligo. Sana man ligo lang sa unta. Ligo na ba?